If your factory track configuration is on-premise, you will need to set the site parameters. These can be found under the Configuration submenu. In here you need to define the site, the ERP type, which should be Infor and the default menu group ID. Unless there's a good reason, I would suggest you would keep it as LN main. This is the default menu group that a user will be assigned if they do not have their own menu group. We need to do a calendar setup with a start date and a tracking year. And on the LN Communication tab, we need to define the web service URL, any suffix, and various other information. When this information is in, it is always worth doing a test connection just to check that there is a successful connection to LN. If time track is in use, then we need to set up some information here, and we also need to set up some colors.